Dami na to. Ano din. Actually, pants na lang. I mean, no? Bagay pala lahat. Ang ganda na ito kay Jane, no? Tsaka kay David. Yeah, walang copyright tong music na to, kaya malaya tayo. Can't wait to buy them, kaso walang update ang ating neties, di ba? Ano daw? Mama Coco Jane, yeah. Day of the Dead. Day of the Dead na theme. Hot David. Try natin guys yung one game. Rank 13. She's a lost girl in a lost world, but I know what she's trying to find. Some call it music, I call it Neverland, where we can take flight and don't have to ever land. You can stay young forever if you follow your heart. No one 9 to 5, turn the soul apart. Keep it safe, you keep your soul in art. Ang baduy ng perks. Kailangan natin mag-offer ng back. I don't deserve the steps, don't deserve the criticism or compliment. This is who I am, this is what I do. Outside of Neverland, I don't have a clue. They call us lost, but this is the place where I was found. Take my hands, Wendy, we're home now. Isang game lang sa behavior. Tapos kung kailan kung kailan naka-stream yung laro tsaka nagkaka-problema. Let's see. Pero kanina talagang hapon guys, napaka-smooth ng behavior. Pinaka-angat? What do you mean, Mona? Flashlight save to training mode. Yeah, pwede guys. Basta may angle. Guys. Kaso sa training mode kasi bot yung killer. So alam niya kung nasaan kayo. Actually kay Nia, lahat pangit yung perks niya. Yung kasi yung kagandahan ng mga characters na may mga pangit na perks. So, hindi nag-expect ng yung killer ng mga strong perks from them. So, that's why I main Ace, Nia, and Claudette. Sila yung mga main ko kasi, ayun nga, para hindi obvious yung mga perks. Like, halimbawa, David King. Pag gumamit kayo ng David King, aasahan ng killer na may dead heart kayo. And kapag nag-glory kayo, alam ng killer na may decisive strike kayo. So, yun yung cons. Noob 3. Yes, sir. Nice, perfect. Alright, let's go. Ito guys, yung flashlight 360, try ko ipakita. Kaso hillbilly yung kalaban. Hindi tayo emo ni Billy nito. Ang smooth, diba guys? Pagpasok pa lang ng game, walang FPS drops or what. Well, sana nga, dire-diretso. Yes, lahat ng sulok ng map. Kasi yung totems, di ko pa rin solo yung kung saan yung mga placement ng totem. What? Ayun na, nagka-FPS drops. Okay, pero okay lang yan. Hindi ko in-expect na nandun na pala siya. Hindi ko in-expect. Yo, good evening, Zyrel. Uy, P3 Dwight. Uy, instaso. Yup, behavior version. Wow, ang layo. Ay, nakalimutan ko pala ipakita yung cosmetic ni Ghostface. Wala pa tayong DSD dito kasi wala pa si Lori. Grabe, GG agad tayo. May konti sa map na to. Alright, kill me, Madu. Gusto ko dun sa Father Campbell. Wait, one more. Balance, wala kasi tayong sprint burst. Hirap i-timing yung balance landing. Error update pa nga. GG's. Tsaka yung classic Ghostface skin cosmetic ni Ghostface. Yo, creepy. Alright, sige Lods. Thank you Lods Erickson for driving by and thank you sa 10 stars. Alright, good night Lods. Ito, last game guys, last game. Lalaro ka na? Okay, sige Lods. Good luck sa iyong game. Try ko yung 360. Sige Lods. At least bayan yung isa. Behavior Lods, behavior. Pero last game na to eh. So, bukas ulit. Try ko mag-stream bukas ng behavior only version. And then sa gabi, netis. Thanks ulit sa tutorial. No problem, my dude. Sana makuha mo yung yung 360. Saka yung camera control. Boss behavior. Yeah, sure. Try ko umaga or hapon. Dun sa gabi, ang netis. Years make a heartbreak worse. Plus a lot was going on, couldn't stop it at the time. Dad tried to flip the house. Shit, baby, do it. GG. Started feeling different, couldn't fix it. Started writing lyrics all because nobody tried to hear it. Around the same time, hooked to the nicotine. Music and the smoke were synonymous to me. It seemed paid prices through devices. Alright, sinong present sa ating stream? I wanna see you guys. Hashtag present. Yung account, old account na siya. Kaso hindi ko nilalaro. Parang Smurf account ko baga. Sinong present guys? Hashtag present. Attendance check lang my dudes. Ayan, si Mona, si Lods Emerson, si Ronald, si Sydney. Uy, si Sydney. Diyan pa pala si Sydney. Shit, dito na naman. Ay, wrong way. Yes, sir, Jean. Gagana kaya yung sprint burst dito? Ay, yung balance landing. Shit, gumana. Papunta sa akin. What? Nurse? Ba't di siya nagbiblink? Ay, si Mela. What is? Alright, wag tayo mag-genbong game. Pahabol na lang tayo. Kasali sa game, last game na to eh. So, hindi siya nagbi-blink. Hello? Hindi talaga siya nagbi-blink ko. What is she doing? It's a walking nurse. Sayang yung double battery ko sa'yo. Tamang road trip ka dyan ah. Ako ngayon yung bagong killer guys. Hello? Matchbox? Wala pa siyang nahihit eh. Tsaka hindi pa siya nakapag-blink. Wala, nawala. Ayun, finally. Tingnan natin kung tutulungan tayo ng ating team. What? Yan, finally. Para gumana yung matchbox, kailangan niya kailangan niya maka-hit after blinking. Sa case niya, hindi po siya nagbi-blink kahit isang beses. So, hindi gagana yung matchbox. What? Ano yung red na yun? What? Ano to? Ay, baka particles lang nung ano. Wait, sa ano lang pala yun. Yung entity pala yun. Uy, nag-blink na siya. Nice. Okay, we are dead, guys. I think. Ayaw niya mag-blink. Umalis na naman yung killer. Ay, wag dyan nga tayo kahit isa lang. Permanent movement speed yung ni-remove. Jane's last breath. Ang alam ko matchbox talaga yun. naunahan ko pa sila gumawa ng dyan. Or baka hindi sila nagawa ng dyan. Face camper eh. Hanggang kailan kaya kita hahabulin? May kulay green. Okay, sige. Yo, what's up, Harid, my dude? It's my last game, my dude. Familiar face, ibig sabihin, you watch a lot of streams of that specific streamer. May familiar face badge ka ba? Or si Hared? Kawawa naman yun, wala na nag-save. Yo, what's up, Lods? Cosmo, what up? Nag-stream ka ba, Lods, kanina? How are you, bro? Doing good, my dude. Ba't ayaw mapindot ng flashlight? Wala talaga nagawa yan dyan. AR's play no escape. Uy, DBDM tayo para maka-escape. DBDM. Kapag gawa na nga nandiyan, hindi kami makatakas dito eh. Wala nagawa nandiyan. Ano, tapusin ko lang tong game. How are you? I'm doing good, my brother. How are you, mi amigo? Mi amigo from Mexicano. Mi amigo from Mexico. Tali next game. Sorry my dude. Last game na to eh. Bukas na lang 5 PM or 6 PM start ng stream. Then, mapaglaro ako with the viewers. So, abangan yan. Yeah, last G na to. I mean, last G sa stream, pero off stream maglalaro ako. Kala nyo, hindi siya rinig doon, no? Back. Kobe. Yeah, lalaro tayo ulit. Gagrind tayo ng NetEase. K20 Pro? Yeah. K20 Pro. Actually, Hared, I'm on behavior right now. Do you wanna play? Add me. This is my idea. sorry guys, yun yung pangalan ko, Nia the Entity. Wala ka-update error pa nga. Ay, i-comment ko guys yung IGN ko. Alright, so add nyo ako guys. Alright, so yun lang. Yeah, Smurf. Smurf pa nga. Ayun si Amerson. I added, accepted ka na. That's Amerson. Laro tayo bukas. Add-on sa nurse. Yeah, good night muna. Tomorrow ulit, 5 or 6. Hopefully 5 makapag-start na tayo. Hindi, magsiswitch ako para sa nurse add-on. Wait lang. Wait. Hala, COD. NetEase, yung kanina behavior, yung ngayon NetEase na. Bali, dalawa yung account ko. Good night, Lods Amerson. Good night, madudes. Wait, pakita lang natin yung nurse add-on. Really looks beautiful. Thank you, dude. But I like the jogging pants. Jogging pants ba tawag doon? The pink pants. Bye, Lods. Bukas na. Alright, thank you, Ronald. At sa lahat mga nanood throughout the stream, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I really do appreciate it. Mga pagtambay nyo dito. So, bukas ulit, guys. Kita-kita tayo. Ipakita lang natin. Taas natin graphics para malupit. Ito din yun, di ba? Ayan, no? Removes one blink charge. Oo nga, no? Wait. Nasaan yan? Wait. Ito. Oo nga. Tama. Spasmodic breath. Okay. One blink nurse. Kulay green yung isa. Yeah. Ito pala yun. Kala ko ito yun. Ito never ko pa itong nagagamit. Itong matchbox. Itong torn bookmark nagamit ko kahapon. As in nakaka-stress. Nakaka-stress mag-nurse kapag ito yung add-on. Ang hirap. Grabe. Yun lang. Oo nga eh. Actually, hindi ko nga sa ulo yung mga ganun eh. Niners. Basta alam ko lang yung itsura. Yung mga gusto kong add-on. Clauderina. Ito, Prestige 3 na. But kulay pula, ano siya? Cosmetic siya. Look at that days. Look at that days. Hindi na siyang lunchbox. Fresh as fuck, boy. Kulit oh. Alright, so yun lang guys. And see you tomorrow. Wait, hanap lang tayo ng i-raid, madudes. Saan bakasyon yun ni Ace? Sa Hawaii. Alright, good night, Mela. Ingat din. Alright, good night sa inyong lahat and we'll be raiding. So, stand by muna kayo dyan. Raid tayo, guys. Kaninong stream kaya ang ating mapupuntahan? Wait. Yeah, good night, my brother. Diyan lang kayo, guys. Wait lang. Ayan, guys. Alright, so see you guys sa live ni Lods Recta 101. Alright, good night, guys. And see you tomorrow, 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Goodbye, my dudes.